Students, as we are not being able to start our classes, so we are trying to fill this gap with online lectures. So I'll try to give you a brief introduction about class 12th economics syllabus, and our syllabus is divided into two parts, part A and part B. For part A, we are having the book which is Introductory Macroeconomics, written by Dr. Anup Kumar Athria, Genius Publication. And part B, which is Indian Economic Development, we'll follow NCERT for this. Okay, and the part A, which is divided into 5 units and 8 chapters, and the name of the book is Introductory Macroeconomics, and the other one is Indian Economic Development. It is divided into 3 units and 10 chapters. So firstly, I'll try to give you an introduction about macroeconomics. If you are having this book, that is well and good. If you are not having, then there is no need to panic. We'll follow the syllabus through these videos, these e-lectures, these online material. So prepare a separate notebook for macroeconomics and a separate notebook for Indian economic development. So chapter wise we'll try to cover our syllabus and you'll write it down during the lecture. So as I told you earlier, these are the 5 units for macroeconomics, and there are 8 chapters, and these are the names of the 8 chapters. Chapter 1, National Income. Chapter 2, Money and Banking. Chapter 3, Aggregate Demand. Chapter 4, Equilibrium Level of Income and Employment. Chapter 5, Problem of Excess Demand and Deficient Demand. Chapter 6, Government Budget. Chapter 7, Balance of Payment. And chapter 8, Foreign Exchange Rate. So these are the names of these 8 chapters. You can again give it a look. And now the other book, which is Indian Economic Development, as I told you, will follow NCERT only. Will do not follow any other refresher. We will strictly stick to that. We'll follow the NCERT book for this part. And this is part B, divided into 3 units, 10 chapters. And now the first chapter is Indian economy on the eve of independence. Second chapter is Indian economy 1950 to 1990. Chapter 3, economic reforms since 1991, and these are the reforms: liberalization, privatization, globalization, and the recent reforms which all of us know are demonetization and goods and service tax. We'll study these reforms under this chapter. Now the next unit is challenges which our economy faces, and the chapters are: fourth one is poverty, fifth human capital, sixth rural development, seventh employment, eighth infrastructure, ninth environment, and the last one is developmental experiences with our neighbors. We'll do a comparative study, economic study with China and Pakistan. So these are the 2 books divided. Our syllabus is divided into 2 parts. I'll give you a quick recap. First one is Introductory Macroeconomics. Second one is Indian Economic Development. And in macroeconomics, we are having these 8 chapters: National Income, Money and Banking, Aggregate Demand, Problem of Excess Demand and Deficient Demand, and Equilibrium Level of Income and Employment, Government Budget, Balance of Payment, and Foreign Exchange Rate. So you can just write it down. I'm giving you a few seconds so that you can write. And now you are aware, these are the 10 chapters here. We'll study in this book Indian Economic Development. 3 are related to the state of Indian economy since independence, then 1950 to 1990, then since 91. Then a separate unit is there for the challenges which our economy faces, and the challenges are poverty, human capital formation, rural development, employment, infrastructure, and environment and sustainable development. And the last one is a comparative study with China and Pakistan. how they developed their economies, how India developed. There is a comparative study in this particular chapter. So in the next videos we will start our syllabus. In the next videos we are going to start our syllabus, and chapter wise we'll try to cover it. Thank you.